Now let's also look at the part of the call center that is responsible for someone wants to cancel. Now they're retention centers. This is actually, a little easier to position as a profit center, but what we have seen is even this part of retaining customers by measuring the wrong things. We are going to be positioning this as the wrong side. I'll give you examples, right? So in a retention center, obviously, what are we doing? We are retaining customers, but a wrong metric to measure, in our opinion, is how many cancels did we prevent? How much time did we take to retain these customers? Or what types of offers are we giving? What is the cost of retention? If we keep on measuring while we are retaining, we're not really positioning the value to the organization back. So one way to rethink about this is segment your customers into, why they're canceling, how they're using the product, what they purchased, and all these things. And, like the image on the right side of the screen, put them into micro segments based on different value and different products they purchased and things like that, and calculate the lifetime value. If we can retain this customer, what is the future lifetime value of this customer? And then decide a profitable offer. And then the most important thing, measure the net present value of that action today, right? Instead of measuring cost of retention, save rates, cancel rates, cost of retention, if we start measuring the value that is being generated, take it to your CFO, he's going to love it. He or she is going to love it, right? And then you're on par with the sales centers. Sales centers are exciting because they're always seen as growth centers, right? What is sales doing? Oh yeah, this many sales today, that many sales. It's straightforward value. It's all profit, right? But retention centers, though, the value of retaining a customer, everyone says this, HBR, Gartner, Forrester, all of them say it's 6 to 10x better to retain a customer by measuring the wrong things, cost of retention, handle time of retention, how many cancels, how many saves, right? All these things, and not giving a very straightforward, simple, the value generated this month by my retention team is $10 million or $20 million, right? We are going to change the conversation there, right? So think about what we are doing in the service center, what we are doing in the retention center, right? And these are ideas, by the way, there might be different ways, but my objective here today, along with Doug, is to give you some ideas about thinking parts of your center, and of course, extrapolate this into other parts of the center that we may or may not be able to talk in a 15-minute conversation here. But my main recommendation here is measure the value, not just activity, right?